Unit 4. Grammar and Exercises. She's Carol Baker. She's in the classroom. She's standing up. She's talking to the teacher. The teacher is sitting down. She's sitting at her desk. Carol is young. The teacher is old. Carol is short. The teacher is tall. Answer the questions. Who's she? She's Carol Baker. Where is she? She's in the classroom. Is Carol standing up or sitting down? She's standing up. Is she talking to Tom or to the teacher? She's talking to the teacher. Is the teacher standing up or sitting down? The teacher is sitting down. Where is the teacher sitting? She's sitting at her desk. Is Carol young or old? Carol is young. Is the teacher young or old? The teacher is old. Is Carol tall or short? Carol is short. Is the teacher tall or short? The teacher is tall. Exercises. Possessive pronouns. This is John Green. It's his book. This is Sally Smith. This is her book. Tom is reading a newspaper. That is his newspaper. He's Tom Baker. This is his pen. And is carrying a lunchbox. It is her lunchbox. He's Tom Baker. This is his pen. Whose pen is this? It's his pen. She's and Johnson. This is her umbrella. Whose umbrella is this? It's her umbrella. Mary Green is opening her purse. Tom Baker is reading his book. Mary is carrying her umbrella. Sally is carrying her notebook. She is talking to her teacher. Dick is writing in his notebook. He is talking to his teacher. And is closing her purse. John is reading his newspaper. Carol is reading her magazine. Exercises. Questions. She is talking. Is she talking? She is reading a magazine. Is she reading a magazine? It's open. Is it open? He's young. Is he young? It's in the classroom. Is it in the classroom? He's in the classroom. Is he in the classroom? It's on the table. Is it on the table? He's talking to the teacher. Is he talking to the teacher? And is in the classroom. Is and in the classroom? He's tall. Is he tall? Exercises. Some sentences. Whose purse is it? It's her purse. What's this? It's a lunchbox. He's carrying a notebook. She's reading a letter. Whose newspaper is this? It's his newspaper. Where's the lunchbox? It's on the table. He's writing in his notebook. She's walking to the chair. What's she doing? She's opening a lunchbox. Whose umbrella is it? It's his umbrella.
Did you like this video? If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any videos.